This is very interesting fact which I have seen. When after the examination a student got the result, they thinks number of times if the result is not suitable to them, that this time they will uh, work so hard and will get uh, maximum marks as they expect. And every time what happens when they determine that they will get the maximum marks next time, it remains every time next time. So how to basically focus on the study and uh, the marks, and basically especially if you are very concerned about the result, that the result should be so good that you and other people cannot raise the question on it. So for that you have to make some plan, and you have to fix on that. Don't it vary accordingly on your comfort. So you know that nothing you can get on at the cost of your comfort. If you are comfortable in your life, so how it can be possible that you achieve good result? So for the best of your life or for the good results, you have to work hard. You have to give something. You, as you are determined that you have to achieve this result, then for that you have to do work hard. And work hard should be regular. It does not basically that you work 2 days very uh, efficiently. You wake up to 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the night, and then next 4 days or 5 days you slept completely. You did not touch the book or any other things of related your work. So activity of your daily life should be planned, that you have to work up to this particular time, you have to play up to this time, or you have to invest so much time for that particular activity. That should be properly planned. If all these things are not planned, then it will be very difficult to you that manage your health and the results of your activity. So examination as such is not a big thing, but if you are regular and you are focusing on the subject regularly. So in this some there are some tips that in the classroom you have to focus that what the teacher basically is try to explain. God gave us a capacity to understand the things, and that capacity basically can vary. It depends on the hard work, self hard work, understanding of the concept. Slowly we can reach the level of mind. So if by by God whatever you gave, that level of the mind, it basically now up to you to raise that level by doing some hard work. So what you have to do, if you think that you miss in early stage some basic concept and you are not able to understand the new course, so it will be very beneficial for those people who think so, that you just see the teacher that what he is saying, what basically he is making on the whiteboard or blackboard, what he is trying to explain, where he is giving focus on this lecture. So I think everybody who sit in the class and attend the lecture, or whether that have basic fundamentals, knowledge of the basic fundamental or not, the point is that how much he concentrated into the classroom. If he concentrated on every activity of the teacher or what he basically taught in that lecture, I am 100% sure, and I can assure you too, that your result, your reflection, your knowledge will totally different. So the first point is concentration into the classroom. Don't try to divert your mind by thinking useless activity or by doing some useless activity. You just focus on the teacher, what he is teaching. You note down every point what he is telling. You do that exercise which he give to you. So this is the first point for the better result, because you came into the school, college or university to attend the class, to learn the new things. You are not came into the classroom or school, college just for time pass. This is very important time of your life which you are spending. So pass it very fruitfully and learn the things as you can. So my, as a teacher, my stress is or suggestion to the student that whatever you learn from the class, you note down that thing, and you just after the classes of your 9 to 5 or whatever time is schedule of your school, college, then after in evening you give at least 4 or 5 minutes, not at least regularly for each subject. I am just saying only 4-5 minutes purposely, because if you have already makes the note in classroom, and now you have to just remind all these things that what teacher taught into the class. Or you, if you cannot give 5 minutes, you just can interact with your friends that what the teacher told you, or discuss into the classroom when he was saying this point, what is your view, or what picture basically he made on the whiteboard or blackboard. So all these things basically you can discuss with your friends, or you can also discuss with yourself also, that what basically the things teacher taught in the class, what picture he made, what the question he asked to the other student. So if you uh, focus on such kind of activity and you will give regularly it some time, definitely your level of mind will increase, your memory will become so sharp, and you will be more confident. And next day if you found some confusion, whatever you read yesterday, so you just ask your teacher that this is the problem, I could not understand further uh, beyond this limit. So what could be the possibility to understand this particular thing? Or you discuss with your friends or senior friends. So it will basically help to you to raise your mental level. And one day you can realize that you reach up to some expected, which you were expected basically. So now you will do everything, whatever the job assigned to you, very carefully and with full of your energy and with full heart, not partially. Partially you were basically involved on those works when you were not aware about the things. Now you are aware that this will be beneficial for me, so it is important that you focus on the study.